Meaning of grant-maintained.
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 Grant-maintained. Grant-maintained refers to a type of school governance introduced in England in the 1980s. It allowed schools to opt out of local authority control and become financially independent, receiving their funding directly from the government. These schools had greater control over their budgets, staffing, and curriculum. The result of this policy was mixed. Some grant-maintained schools achieved academic success and improved facilities, but others faced financial difficulties and increased social segregation. The policy was eventually phased out in the late 1990s, with all remaining grant-maintained schools required to convert to other types of governance.